Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to sell your business on Flippa? In this video, we will show you how to create and compile a listing, attract buyers, and successfully sell your business on Flippa. Follow along for tips and best practices. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first, go ahead and open flippa.com. Make sure guys also to sign into your account, and right after that this page should be open for you. Ignore everything and go right here and click on sell now. Right after you do so, you will be able to start selling. Now, to be able to become a seller and join the Flippa community, you simply have to click on Sell Now, and here you should enter your URL to sell your business. So let's go ahead and let me just type my URL, for example, like that, and there we go. Now, right after I have written that URL, I will have to go through some process of questions. What business category best describe your assets? Sell any e-commerce business or assets. Let's go with that. And right after that, tell us about your e-commerce store. So, store selling e-commerce store selling baby products. When did you start? When did your business begin operation? Let's say, for example, in March 2024. Where is your business located? Which industry do you operate? Let's say design and style. Let's say health and beauty, home and garden, or we can say list lifestyle. Define your industry. Let's say babies. And what was your annual revenue over the past 12 months? Let's say, for example, $30K. Click on continue. And once we have done that, how do you make money? Shipping physical products, shipping digital product, drop shipping, or print on demand. You have to choose exactly one of them. So of course it's gonna be dependent on your business. Do not copy my my options. I am just simply copying or putting decisions based on the website that I have chosen. So click here to continue, and on which of these products do you use? Check any at apply. On the next screen we will ask you for some details. So let's say, for example, other, and let's say other, and click on continue. So here, data integrations, as you can see, you have to go through all of these process, from integrations, financials, marketing, about, median attachment, review, set your pricing, listing package, and checkout. So, data integrations. Integrations make it easier to create listing. Based on your selections, we have no suitable integrations at this time, but we have recorded your selections and will notify you when a new relevant integration becomes available. Let's click on continue. Now, financials. Are you able to provide monthly financials? If not, you can provide annual data. Monthly data is the best way to build trust with buyers. So let's click here and select currency. Let's search this: annual revenue, annual cost. Let's say, for example, 12. Let's say around 80K, for example, and net profit is 1100. And let's click on continue. Now, what are your primary expenses? So expense name, average cost is $6. Here marketing 5, expense name 0, platform fees 0, products, let's say, for example, 4, and that's exactly how are the expenses. So here, what assets are included in the sale? For example, if I'm selling my e-commerce website, then I'm selling with it the domains, website files, email address, social media accounts, brand assets such as logos, supplier contracts, and basically it's inventory, of course, and that's pretty much it. So here the platforms, let's choose here for example you can, I didn't find it. Platform, let's choose here, okay, let's go with Google Sites. What is the wholesale value of your inventory? So let's choose for example now it's at about 700. Included in the sale price. Is your content unique? No. Is your design unique? No. Will you provide post-sale support? You will answer question, provide guidance once the sale is complete. Yes. Then click on continue. Now for the marketing, you should here add the URL of your social media. So for example, if you are launching ads on Facebook, then you should have a Facebook page. That means you simply have to copy the Facebook page URL and paste it right over here. Now let's start by putting for example facebook.com/ something like so, and let's copy that and paste it right here, but now with instagram.com, and let's make sure here to add the amount of followers that we have. For example, just gonna write a couple of numbers, but you guys have to write of course your own numbers. Then right after you've done that, click on continue, and right after that they must take us to the next page, but I have not added the number for this, so that's my bad. I should have added everything. So let's add here, let's copy this, here Instagram, let's add here at here, let's add for example 100,000 and click on continue. Now I think there is a bug with it, but I think I should have copied the URL, the whole URL. So you should go ahead and copy like the whole URL of the page and paste it right here. Then you go to about, where you are going to basically write a blog that explains how your business working, give details, your customers, locations, and etc., and how much do you spend on ads and such as. Then add media and attachments such as your logos, your screenshots of your orders, and much more. And then there will be the review process where the actual website support are gonna review your business. Then you can add your pricing, then you can list your package, and then the checkout once you had an offer. So that is pretty much it, and this is how you can start selling on Flippa, guys. So if you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and make sure to leave a thumbs up and to write us a motivational comment, and see you guys in the next tutorial.